And then I have some stuff in here that I haven't thrown in this box yet. I have this Connect 4 game. I think I bought it for a photography project in college. Haven't used it forever. Still have the instruction book for it, so it's going. I have a little compact mirror that I haven't used since I got a smartphone with a decent camera on it, which is all I use as a mirror now. I have a Spyro mini video game. I'm not sure if it even works anymore. I have this deck of cards I don't use, so it's going. Bunch of Beanie Babies. So that's 6 Beanie Babies that are going. Oh no, there's a 7th one. Sloth. It's going. I have this random lanyard. I don't even know. I think a friend gave it to me when they went on a trip or something. I don't know what this is or why I have it, so it's going. I have a Canada stress ball, though it's not very squishy, but don't need it. This is just gonna get thrown out. They're headphones that came with an MP3 player that didn't last very long and then broke, so I'm just gonna throw it out since who wants to use headphones? Probably not a lot of people. I have this box that I shoved full of floppy disks, or is that what they're called? Floppy disks? The smaller little disks, anyways, that no computers have readers for anymore. I have a handful of disks that are marked, like as having had stuff on them. I've thrown them in the special garbage pile to be destroyed before I throw them out. But everything in this box isn't marked as having anything on it, so I'm assuming they're empty. I'm hoping they're empty. And I'm sure there probably are people that want these, so it's being donated. Got this old purse that I was going to donate, and then I looked at how dirty it is, and the inside is kind of torn up, so I'm just going to throw it out. Have this red mini rug sort of thing. A friend gave me this as like a gag gift for my birthday one year. They're rolling out the red carpet, and I'm not sure why I held onto it because I've never used it, so it's going. This is a charging dock for, I can't remember if it was for my current phone or my last phone. It turned out I couldn't use it because with the case that I have on my phone, I couldn't sit it in the dock. So that was a nice sale that they made that wasted my money because I couldn't use it. So it's going. I have a couple of picture frames here that I've never used. There's like a double 4x6 frame and just a bigger 4x6 frame. Haven't used them. They're going. I have a random Ziploc bag with barrettes in them. I'm probably just going to throw them out. Because again, who wants a used hair accessory? Probably not many people. This is just those random foam things you can put on headphones. I never use them, so I'm probably just going to throw it out. Then we have an extension cord that I haven't used in at least 10 years. I don't know if it still works, but I'm sure the thrift store can figure that out, so I'm going to donate that as well. I have a little mini handheld fan that I didn't even know I still had, so that's going. Then over here we have this framed poster of horses that I got from my parents when I was like a kid, that I kept forever, and I haven't put it up at all, and I'm not that, it's pretty, but I don't need it, so it's going. And then there is this triple photo frame. I don't remember if I got this as a gift or something, but I haven't used it in however many years I've had it for, so I'm just gonna let it go. I have this X-Files poster that I've had since I was probably like 12. I was gonna keep it, but let's face it, I haven't hung it up. The reboot hasn't been that good, and it's not even in great condition. I can't decide if I want to donate it or just throw it out, because like it's got these dents and crap all over it, so I'm not sure about that. And then this, I'm not going to show you, but it's basically a poster that my best friend at the time and I made before a concert, and it's got good memories attached to it, but I really don't need it, so I'll take a picture of it, and then it's going to get thrown out. So yeah, I'm definitely getting rid of a lot of things with this purge. I'm actually very happy about how I almost managed to get everything into this bottom bin. So my next project that I'm going to do right now is to take those drawers, move them over here, put the bins on top, and by the bins I mean the plastic drawers that I have from my loose leaf 12x12 paper. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do tonight. We'll see. It's pretty late at this point, but I'm still awake and still motivated, so I'm going to keep working. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so here's the progress. I have the drawers here. My 12 by 12 paper pads were in this bin. There were also some 6 by 6 paper pads and some cardstock in those 2 magazine holders. They're now all in these drawers, which is great. I'll do a video with my full craft organization later. So I've got my bins with my 12 by 12 papers in here. Originally I had tried to stack all 4 of these on the one side so I could use this surface for something else. However, when I did that, I couldn't see like what was in these drawers, so it would kind of pointless to have it stacked up like that. So then I had these 2 sets of drawers right here where they're sitting, and I had these 2 sets of drawers moved to the edge of this table, and then I had these 2, this folder and this marker holder, pen holder, in between. I really liked how that was, and I managed to squeeze in these photo albums as well. But I found that if I needed to get in here, it was really difficult with this stuff right at the edge. So I moved it over so that it's a little easier for me to get in here. So that is where I am stopping for the night. I'm not finished yet because I have to move all my crafty crap back to this general vicinity in order to access my bed. Because you probably can't see, but my bed and the area in front of my bed is covered in stuff right now. So I have to move a bunch of stuff back so I can actually go to bed. So I will see you when I get around to filming more of this journey of trying to get the crap in this corner dealt with. And I will see you then.